pork belly burnt ends that melt in your mouth with an Italian balsamic glaze. I'll show exact temps, timing, and one Italian twist, aceto balsamico di Modena, that perfectly balances the richness. Start with skinless pork belly. Cube into roughly 2 inches, about 5 centimeters, for even rendering and bark on all sides. Thin layer of mustard acts as a binder. You won't taste it. It helps the rub stick. Use a classic pork ribs rub, brown sugar, paprika, and other spices. Coat every side. Don't be shy. Place cubes on a small wire rack for easy handling. Space them out so smoke and heat surround every side. Set indirect at 250 degrees Fahrenheit, 130 degrees Celsius, with hickory pellets for a bold pork-friendly smoke. Small space, big flavor. Smoke until the rub sets and color is deep, typically 2.5 to 3 hours. Go by bark, not just the clock. When the surface doesn't smear and edges look crusty, you're ready to braise. Into a pan with unsalted butter, the star aceto balsamico di Modena, and honey. Balsamic acidity cuts the fat and helps the glaze caramelize without being cloying. Cover tightly with foil and back on at 250 degrees Fahrenheit, 130 degrees Celsius. Cook until probe tender, near zero resistance when sliding in a thermometer probe. Rest 5 to 10 minutes so sugar set and fat stops bubbling. Tender, sticky, rich, and that clean Italian acidity from Modena cuts through perfectly. Recap: 2-inch cubes, mustard binder, heavy rub, 250 dagger, 130 dagger hickory, braise with butter, honey, balsamic, foil until probe tender, reduce to tacky, rest. Love classic BBQ with Italian ingredients? Watch my crispy smoked chicken thighs with Italian herbs next, and subscribe for weekly cooks.